boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, 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 get up. I got something to tell you I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. I thank you very, very much for your support, my friends. The Scoop is moving. It's kind of scooping up, huh? Scoop moving up? Well, anyway, I got some good news for you today, my friends. There's a dichotomy developing out there. I'm talking about a true division between the street and institutions. I'm going to tell you what. I'm going to tell you. There's a company out there that the institutions are piling into. Now, when I say they're piling into them, my friends, I'll do the backdrop here in a minute. I'll tell you a little story. I used to visit a friend on Wall Street, and we used to go over companies and take a look at things. This is during the dot-com eras in the 90s. And we'd go over certain things with certain companies and different numbers and different things. And I'll continue that in a moment. You're going to want to hear about what he told me and what we figured out about what's going on with some of these institutions and how this thing operates. But as you guys know, this is for your education and your entertainment only. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm an author. I do deep research. I write books. My books can be found on Amazon.com. You can get the audiobook, the paperback book, or the ebook. Books like Make Money Online with Cannabis Stocks, where I list over 40 stocks. I also have a strategy in there you can use in any market for the rest of your life. Stocks like IIPR, you know, we got early, innovative industrial properties. We're hoping it holds that 100, 98, 99 area right now. If it doesn't, we're going to be falling down about $15 or so, my friends. Also in this book, you'll have stocks that you can put on your watch list that you'll be able to refer back to, and you'll be able to keep a track on them, like they're little babies, and you can keep a track on them. You know, just like all of the companies in here, my friends. Sooner or later, they may have their day. Investing in medical and recreational cannabis, buying before, during, or after legalization. There's another book out there, my friends. A lot of good companies in there. The largest indoor and outdoor marijuana farms in the world is out there. There's a lot going on. Israel is a lot going on in Israel. A lot going on in Italy right now. As you know, that big deal between Italy and Aurora. I do have something I want to share with you too, also about what's going on in America as reference to foreign companies that aren't located in America. They're actually trying to keep some of you've got some strong levels of the government that want to see only American companies here. They don't want to see these Canadian big companies. They're talking like they don't want anything to do with Canadian, German, South American, or any other cannabis anywhere else in the world. So stay tuned for that one, my friends. Promising medical marijuana and CBD treatments is out there, my friends. There's a lot going on right now. The FDA is approving drugs. There's a lot happening. The African Marijuana Gold Mine, Richmond O'Sullivan meets Wall Street. In this book, you know, I told you about Charlotte's Web. I mean, is really before it even became a company. In this book, page 97, I want you to really focus, my friends, on the new genetics means new possibilities. Page 97, where I talk about the crossbreeding of the strains, and you come up with a Charlotte's Web. Now, before Charlotte's Web even came out there, when they came out with that, we knew that if it was a company, it was going to be a strong company. Right now, Charlotte's Web is one of the strongest companies out there, which we've retired. We retire companies when we think we've gotten in at the lowest possible price. As you guys know, I'm a shareholder in Charlotte's Web, and we were in as early. You know, it came out at 7, 8, went up to 11, came back down. It's going to be marching itself back up, my friends. And I've been saying now for a couple months that Charlotte's Web is not going to be a teenager too much longer. So it's already over $25 on the Canadian stock exchange. So it's going to be a very, very powerful company out there because they're doing a lot of sales. They're doing a lot of things right. Also, marijuana today, vanadium and uranium tomorrow. Companies you can get into, hold and grow rich. There's a bonus section in the back on gold stocks. Gold has its day, it has its moments, as you know. A lot of books out there, my friends, and for your enjoyment, and I thank you for your support, for listening to these not infomercials, but ads and all. Give me 30 seconds. That's all I'm asking for. Give me 30 seconds, okay? Give me 30 seconds. Today, I want to tell you about a company. All right, this company is listed on the NASDAQ. Now, the dichotomy I was telling you about, my friends, and the division here between the street and institutions is, see, think of it as a building, and think of it as the left hand doesn't know what the right hand is doing. One area of the building, they're doing research, and the other area of the building, they're doing trading, and they're so. Well, this area, you know, you think they don't know what's going on, but they know exactly what's going on, my friends, because they're putting out information here saying, hey, this stock is had lower net income this month. It's got weak operating cash flow this last quarter, so we holding back, right? On that. Now, on the other side of the building where they're doing the trading, they're buying it hand over fist. So, you know, they're putting out this information, and the traders are, you know, because they're driving the stock down while the traders are gobbling the stock up. One such company, my friends, I believe, is the Alkaline Water Company, WTER, on the NASDAQ. Let me tell you what's going on here. Over the last few months or so, last couple months, Alkaline Water Company is one of those companies that the institutional interest, these guys are piling in. They've doubled the number of institutional holders over the last couple months. Now, they're saying one thing, the street is saying one thing, and they've got, you know, analysts and all saying this, but the company, I'm talking, my friends, I'm talking Goldman Sachs, I'm talking Vanguard, I'm talking Northern Trust, I'm talking Jefferies, my friends. These aren't Rudy Poo companies that I'm talking about. You know, Seacrest, Wells Fargo, Charles Schwab, these are known companies. You know, why are they piling into a little company like Alkaline Water? You know, this company's under $2. It is listed on the NASDAQ. And back in the 90s when I was trading .coms, little things like this kind of made me, you know, scratch my head and say, wait a minute. Everybody's saying all these negative things about this company, and they're piling in. Even they're adding, you know, Chase. You know, these people are adding. They're saying one thing with their research departments, and the traders are, you know, it goes down like a day like today. They're adding. It just so happens that on a day when there may be some news or something may come out later. There may be a hit. But when I spoke with the company, which was about a week and a half ago, the last time I spoke with them, I was assured that there's no issues. The investor relations department answered all my questions. When I got off the phone, it was like, you know, as soon as there's a dip, I'm going to go ahead and add to a little bit to my position. And you guys know, I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. You do that with your money. That's what I'm going to do. That's my own opinion. You know, that I think that it was appropriate enough. And I've been nibbling on these companies while we have this summer sale. Big time summer sale in marijuana stocks, my friends. Big time. And some of these stocks, I believe, have, you know, they have what it takes to make it to the next phase of this marijuana boom that we're having here. And Alkaline Water is one of them. WTER on the NASDAQ Stock Exchange. You remember a video I did? I was telling you guys about the top 4 farm bill stocks. You know, along with Charlotte's Web, this is one of them that's been left out to dry. Water. It's waiting right now. This company's waiting for some legislation. They're waiting just to have some things cleared up, because water is going to be one of those companies that's there. You look at their website, Alkaline Water 88. Alkaline 88. If you go to any store or anywhere, you'll see it. You'll see Alkaline 88. They've got products CBD hemp products ready just as soon as they get the word on any type of clarification on the hemp area. You know, we know it's legal. We know nothing's going to really happen. But they're a company, they're an above board company. They're not going to be doing anything under anybody's, because they can't. You can't do anything. They've got their products all over the world. So they will, as soon as they get the word, they have a pipeline, my friends, to get their products out, and their sales are going to be probably off the chain. So right now, while there's all this nonsense and all this barking out there about they're this and they're a sell right now, weak operating cat. Why are the institutions piling in? You know, and like I said, this is nothing new, my friends. This is just something that I wanted to bring to you. It's going to be coming out in one of my books here a little later on. I think early next year or so. But this is just one of the little ideas and just one of the little things that we come up with. There's a lot of companies. The CBD industry is going to mature more than some other areas of the business, my friends. And there's a lot of companies out there that I think that are in position to do well. And we'll be talking about them as the days go on. But I think that the cannabis stocks video, take a look at it. 3 must survival qualities. Take a look at that video, and we'll see exactly what's going on, what the qualities that they need to survive in this business as companies go on their wayside and go to, like I've said before, they'll be going to, a lot of them will be going to zero, my friends. So, and I told you about that one just yesterday. We were at the conference, and the guy was talking about it was about $1. And did anybody check and see if that MSRT, did anybody check and see what that 0.000, I don't think, are there enough zeros in front of that price on that? And it was $1. How many people you think lost money on that company? You know, when you go sometimes to these conferences and these seminars and different things, and you see a booth where there's not a lot of people, but you see a security guard maybe with a gun there, you know, and you see maybe one representative. They've rolled out somebody from the company to go, you know, there's a reason that there's security surrounding these guys, because let's face it, I'm not a stockbroker, I'm not a money manager, so I'm not going to tell you what to buy. But these guys are out there telling you what to buy. They're touting their companies like some of these companies are the second coming. My friends, patience. Patience, my friends. This market is going to turn around, and we just may have another little dip down, but the market is going to turn around, and just have patience. And some of these companies, I believe, like the alkaline water company, that's in position that the institutions are flocking to and putting money in, as this part of the building is saying they're bad, this other part of the building is buying hand over fist. So as institutions add to their positions and additional institutions join, my friends, you know, you have that believe the street, you believe this side of the building, or you believe the side of the building where they're putting their money where their mouth is. I don't know. That's your decision to make. Thank you for joining, my friends. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that red button there, the subscribe button. Boom, tear it up. And it's been great. I appreciate all of you. Yes, give me 30 seconds, my friends, on the ads and stuff. Give me 30 seconds, and because I'll be bringing some stuff to you here probably today. I'm gonna go out and look for some grasshoppers, man. Grasshoppers are all over the place. They're saying grasshoppers are, there's an invasion of grasshoppers. So we'll take a look at some. It'll be a quick video. You can just rush through it and see some of the grasshoppers if that's what you want to see, my friends. But that, and I got a couple other things I need to bring to you. But that's what I want to bring you today. They're buying this company, this alkaline water company. Why are they piling in? I don't know. Maybe some news will come out today. They're, you know, they like I said, the reports out there, lower net income, you know, it's weak overall, whatever. Why are they buying it? Why are the institutions piling in? That's my question. WTER on the NASDAQ. It's been great. God bless you. Take care of you and your family, my friends. Take care. Bye.